Here's my custom Lego backhoe minifigure scale. We've got our hoe piece on the back with our old 1980s bucket. Got our front loader bucket. I made it really compact, trying to follow some source material. We've got our outriggers that can support the back wheels totally off the ground. We got total movement of the back, which Lego really doesn't make that piece anymore. They need to make something like that. Here's our back view. And our front. What do you guys think? I'm really happy with the way it turned out. That really compact design, which seems to be the way backhoes are really made.